Start your holiday projects any time of the year with the Go Mini Stocking and Go Classic 2-inch numbers and symbols dies. This adorable little stocking will brighten any room on pillows, wall hangings, garland, and more. Pair it with your favorite seasonal appliqué dies, and the possibilities are endless. Personalize your projects with the Go Classic 2-inch numbers and symbols die. Make fun projects for kids, for holidays, or use it with the Go Classic 2-inch alphabet uppercase die to create the perfect quilted message. Both dies will quickly cut up to 4 layers of pre-fused cotton fabric in our Go fabric cutters and the Studio Cutter with the appropriate adapter. Both dies include free downloadable embroidery designs and patterns for endless creativity. It's a great day to start your holiday projects because at AccuQuilt we help you cut time so you can quilt more.